Alright, you're welcome back to this particular question. How do we tackle this problem on the board? Okay, first let's read it out. It says, find the values of the real numbers x and y in the equation. In this equation that says 3x plus 2yi minus si plus 5y equal to 7 plus 5i. Alright, we are asked to find the values of x and y. And not only that, we are told that the values x and y is actually a real number. So it must be a real number. Solution. First, of course, this I here simply means imaginary symbol I. Alright? So now, the first thing to be done here is to separate or to equate. Now, watch. This is an equation. Alright? So we are going to pick out all the terms. There are, on the left-hand side of this equation, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. On the right-hand side of this equation, there are just 2 terms, 1, 2. Now, what we're going to do first is to equate all the ones on the left that is having I with the ones on the right that is having I. And again, the ones on the left that is not having I, we are going to equate them to the one on the right that is not having I as well. So if you watch carefully now, on the left, which term are the ones that are having, which term here are not having I? You find out that 3x does not have I, this one has I, this one has I, this one does not have I, so we have plus 5y. Now we're going to equate it to the one here that does not have I, so 7. So we call it equation 1. Now again, the ones on the left that has I are actually 2yi minus xi. Alright, we equate it to the one on the right that has I is going to be equal to 5i. We call it equation 2. Now we're going to do something. So if you watch carefully now, this is more like a simultaneous equation. Alright, so we're going to do something on this equation 2. Now remember that in this equation 1, the first term has x, the first term is x, this is y. So we're going to rearrange, more like rearranging equation 2 now to be like equation 1, such that this x is going to come first and y will follow suit. But first off, remember that this term here has I, this one has I, this one also has I. So we can kind of factor out I. Alright, in this equation 2 now, the first and second term has I, so we can factor out I, such that it will be I into 2y minus x is equal to 5i. So in this case now, this I here can cancel out this I here, such that it will be 2y minus x equal to 5. Now, rearranging this equation 2 further, we can have that is minus x plus 2y equal to 5. So this equation 2 now is something that is, we're kind of rearranging it now in a way to make more sense. Therefore, 3x plus 5y is equal to 7, which is our equation 1. Now, our equation 2 now is actually minus x plus 2y is equal to 5. Now, we can comfortably solve simultaneously from here. Please do well to take down these notes, alright? So solving simultaneously from here now, we can choose to use elimination method. Alright, we can choose to use elimination method. Now by using elimination method, let us eliminate x. So eliminating x, let us multiply all through equation 2 by the coefficient of x in equation 1. So multiplying all through equation 2 by 3, we now see that our equation 1 still remains 3x plus 5y equal to 7. While our equation 2 now is minus 3x plus 6y equal to 15. Now this can cancel out so that we have 0 here. Now over here now we now have 5 plus 6. We have nothing but plus 11 plus 22. Now, next thing now to be done now is to make y the subject of the formula. Therefore, 11y is equal to 22. Hence, y will be equal to 22 over 11, which is nothing but 2. So y is equal to 2. Very, very important. So now, next thing to be done now is, now remember we've gotten the value of y. So for us now to get the value of x, we're going to say putting or substituting y equal to 2 into, let's say, equation 1. Alright, into equation 1, and of course equation 1 is 3x plus 5y equal to 7. This is our equation 1. So putting y equal to 2 into this equation, we are going to have that 3x plus 5 into 2 is equal to 7. Therefore, 3x is equal to 7 minus 10, because this and this is 10. Crossing over, we have minus 10. Therefore, x is equal to 7 minus 10 all over 3. Alright? And 7 minus 10 is nothing but minus 3. And minus 3 over 3 is nothing but minus 1. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 2. So these are the two real numbers. So if you watch carefully, x is actually a real number, which is minus 1, and y, which is 2, is also a real number. So that's it for this particular question. Thank you for listening.